This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of the candidates. This is examiner Arvinder Singh. I am here to conduct speaking of candidate Manpreet with candidate number 110897. Okay, Manpreet, please introduce yourself.
My name is Manpreet and I am from Dinwal Khurd University, Garshankar district, Hushiyarpur. I recently completed my secondary education from Baba Gurdeep Senior Secondary School, Parwal. Listening music and singing is my hobby, and now I am doing BSc Computer Science in Bamba.
Okay, tell me a good habit of yours.
My good habit is I mostly talk to other person easily, because whenever any stranger person I met, so that's why I easily talk to that person without thinking anything.
Okay, tell me a bad habit of yours.
My bad habit is that I mostly trust upon other person easily. I do not judge the person that what person think about myself.
Okay, tell me something about your hometown.
My hometown is Garshankar, and there are a number of shops related to stationery, as well as there are a number of shops of clothes, as well as of some accessories related to kitchen. And there are also some parks which are very beautiful designed by some artists, as well as there are a number of shops related to there are also some museums which are very well decorated.
Right. What kind of people live in your hometown?
Sorry?
What kind of people live in your hometown?
There are number of peoples like Hindus, Muslim and Sikh which are lived in my hometown, and all are very helping, as well as all are very caring. Whenever person want any kind of help from each other, then they usually give the help.
Okay. What do you like the most in your hometown?
I like one museum which is very well decorated and very well established. It is of 1990, I think, and I learned many things from that museum. Like I also learned historical things which are situated in the ancient time, and that museum is very very beautiful, and I mostly prefer to go there once a month.
Okay. What changes you have observed in your hometown in the past few years?
I saw one changes which is very damaged in ancient time. That is road setting, and nowadays road is well established in my hometown, and I felt very happy to see that government do some things in my hometown, and which is good for the people, so that they can live easily.
Okay, so is there still anything that you want to improve or want to change in your hometown?
I think there is no any change in my hometown that I want. But if I talk about the one thing, there are number of shops which are very old, and that shops are renovated. So that's why this is the only thing which I want to change in my hometown.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about dresses. How often do you wear special dresses?
I usually prefer to wear special dresses on some special occasions, like on birthday parties as well as on marriages. And I mostly prefer to wear western dresses on birthday parties and suits on wedding.
Okay. What type of clothes people wear on daily basis in your country?
In daily basis, people mostly girls mostly wear jeans and tops, and boys mostly wear formal dresses, because some boys also wear kurta pajama, because they felt comfortable in that dresses, and people mostly prefer to wear western dresses in my home.
Okay. How often do you buy new clothes?
Once a month I prefer to buy new clothes, because I love to take new dresses, because I am very fond of collecting clothes. So that's why I prefer to take 1 or 2 dresses in a month.
Okay, alright. We will move towards part 2 of speaking. Cue card. Your cue card is describe a work or sport you have done as a team. Alright, you have 1 minute to prepare for it and your time starts now. Okay, that's it. Alright, please start.
There are number of sports which I done as a team, but here I would like to talk about a particular sport which I like most and I done as a team. That is Ludo. I mostly prefer to play Ludo with my family members at home. This game is very popular in my country, and I mostly prefer to play this game whenever I am free from my work, as well as my both mother and parents are both mother and father doing government job, so they free only on the weekends. So that's why I play this game at the weekend, and whenever I play this game with my parents, I felt very happy because it strengthened the bond of my, as well as it also creates some good relationship between me as well as with my family members. And I mostly prefer to play this game at night because after dinner I play this game with my brother as well as with my mother. So I felt very good when I play this game with my brother because he is a champion of this game, and I noticed that this game play very important role in myself because nowadays I mostly prefer to play this game only rather than doing other activities. But whenever I free, I mostly prefer to play this game with my friends also. This is the only game which I have done as a team.
Okay, alright. Okay. Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, team activity is very important because whenever person do some activities within a team, they gain ideas from others also, and they also do some activities with other person so that why they also do some good things, and it also strengthens the bond of each other.
Okay. What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
There are number of qualities when I play with other person. Like I always judge the person about their thinking, that what person thinking about myself, and I also notice some things related to sports, like is person very good in that sport or not, and I also saw the behavior of other person.
Okay. Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, team leaders are very important in a team. If there is no leader of the team is not the name of the team cannot have any kind of value. Without team leader, team members always distracted from their team, like they do not play properly whenever they want to play in any kind of sport.
Okay. Why do companies practice team activities?
Sorry.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Companies mostly prefer to take one team because they think that teamwork is a very good thing, and they mostly collect 3 to 4 colleagues so that they can do work properly, and they also gain some knowledge from others.
Alright. Okay, thank you very much.